So this begins my initial service on this truck. Doing a complete blower flush right now. It's not all that bad, so perhaps they've been keeping up with that. Man, is this thing quiet. Got the number 4 blower in it. 45 blower. This thing is quiet. 1500 RPMs. I don't have the pumping gauge yet. Let's scope that out. Just getting into this as I was testing it. I tried to bleed the chemical injection system, and it was just complete flatline. So I knew there was a problem with the diaphragm. Look at that, completely roached. And this was actually stuck inside here. I had to take a dental pick and pull it out. That'll get all cleaned out. But more importantly, your chemical injection system is complete flatline, and that tells you that there's something going on. Besides potential this being bad, if you look at this in the check valve, that right there, it's stuck right in there. You gotta actually pull it out. So that check valve is bad. This check valve, the exit check valve, that's going to get replaced because that's not closing properly. But yeah, I'm going to replace this elbow too. So be aware when you are looking at your chemical injection system. Look at everything. Look at the internal check valve, the exit check valve.